way to tour Hollywood instead of all the crowds and the craziness.
Better than the bus if you can. Yeah. Very romantic. Hey, I met a couple who watches you each and every week to see the travel deals here on KTLA. Bill and Susie Meinke. I was at the Bellagio buffet, and we took a little picture, and there they are. Happy, happy couple. Their secret to staying married, they go to Vegas every month and a half or two together.
Really?
Which is very, very cute. And I took a picture for you, Gabe.
Yeah.
I wanted to show you. Here's my travel report.
All right.
The Bellagio buffet. They have always had the Kobe beef, which is so cool to have it on the buffet. Do we have the picture of what they have now? They now also have all-you-can-eat caviar.
Wow.
$37.99. All-you-can-eat 3 kinds of caviar, plus the Kobe beef.
Amazing.
It's my favorite. It's my favorite.
You're like a big spender. Fancy seeing Chris at a buffet.
The Meinke's, they came up and they said, "Are you Chris from Channel 5?" They said, "Yes." They said, "Well, it sounded like you. It looked like you, but we weren't sure until we saw you holding 2 plates at the buffet."
A big mound of caviar on display.
Very sweet.
The Kobe beef, they massage those cows, and they feed them beer. That's why the Kobe beef is so schmancy.
And I never liked caviar before, but the way they do it up with the waffles and the creme fraiche, it's fantastic.
Indeed.